Hey guys, what is up? McMahon Master here. I'm here to bring you an unboxing and setup of the Xbox VGA cable. You use this instead of using this that goes to your TV, but instead you use this to plug into one of your computer monitors. I ordered this online off eBay for about 10 bucks. And it came pretty much, I don't know, it was the day after Christmas, so that was like a week ago. Well, anyway, let's get into this, shall we? Just gonna open this box up, show you what we get inside. Well, might as well go over the details. It's a 6-foot long cable, full HD 1080p support, gold plated for better connection, because that's what they use on earbuds for better sound quality. Let me just figure out how to open this. Alright, now that I got it open, let's open this up and see what's inside. So, with this, you get the cable, and that's about it. But it's a 6-foot long cable. Everything's pretty much gold plated. This is what you get in the packaging. This is what you get. 6-foot long cable. This then goes to your computer monitor, and this goes to your Xbox. So I'll show you when I get set up. Alright, what you're gonna want to do is look on the back of your computer monitor and make sure it has a VGA out. Oh no, VGA in, sorry. Take your VGA in, plug it right into there and screw it in. Anchor it in so it doesn't come undone and be pulled out. And then with your sound end, I'm going to plug in my subwoofer later. So I'll do that at the very end. I'm just showing it right now without the sound. So I want to take the other end, this end, and plug it straight into your Xbox. Let's see. Alright. Now that's all set up, let's turn this bad boy on. Computer monitor turning on. There you go. And it's working just fine. It looks great. Let's see. There we go. Signed to my account. And there you go. Yeah, guys, you can see that it works just fine. It looks great. Not really any problems, you can see. And this is really nice, actually. So maybe we can go into the fix the resolution. So display. We can increase the screen resolution. There we go. That's nice. Let's pull it all the way up. Alright, so I just went out. Alright, so I just went out and I grabbed a different monitor, different computer monitor. I think this will support a higher resolution, better screen resolution, because this one's a little bit bigger than the other. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, it looks way nicer on a better screen resolution. Let me just up a little bit. There we go. As you can see, it works great. There's no problem really. Seems to run just fine. So yeah, all I had to do was go into my display, and I changed some of this into, so I put the resolution as high as can go, 1920 by 1080, and I just messed with this, and this seems to work just fine. The reference level, I don't know if you can see a difference really, you guys, but it changes the definition. So I'm just gonna play on expanded or just use expanded because it looks way nice right here, as you can see. Works just fine. So I'll see you in a little bit when I get into a game. Alright, you guys, I'm back, and I got my subwoofer and my speakers hooked up to the Xbox. So I was able to plug the wires straight into the back of my subwoofer, and just to give you guys a quick demonstration of the sound. You guys can hear it just fine. And it works just fine. Really, it looks great. Really easy to set up. Let's see if we can just get into a game for you guys.
Hard point. Secure the objectives.
Well, as you can see, it looks fine. Looks HD. Turn this down a little bit for you guys.
We're winning this fight.
But yeah, there's no problem I can see with that at all. I would really recommend this if you don't have access to an HD TV. This is really nice if you have a computer. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Have a nice day, you guys, and as always, like and subscribe.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. UAV awaiting order.
Alright, you guys, well, I got it all set up. This is my whole setup right here. Right here's my whole setup. Got my subwoofer, 2 speakers, the Xbox. Then here's my gaming. Well, here's just my computer area. But I really think the VGA cable is a really good alternative to a HD TV for only $10. If you have a good computer monitor that can run the resolution, it looks just as good, if not better. Alright, I'll turn everything on for you. And yeah, guys, it works really well. It looks really, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just really nice. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and as always, like and subscribe.